So guess what? You get to draw perpendicular line segments on a square grid. So on a square grid, the vertical and horizontal grid lines are perpendicular to each other. So this here is, I better actually get my highlighter out. This is the horizontal and this is the vertical, okay, where the ruler is. So we can draw a pair of perpendicular line segments on a square grid in this way. So that looks pretty easy. Notice how there's a ruler. You absolutely have to have a ruler. If you don't use a ruler, don't even bother sending me the work. You must have a ruler, or email me or your homeroom teacher and say, I don't have a ruler. Maths is accuracy, grade 4s. And if you do this without a ruler, you're not doing maths. So hopefully that's really clear for you. B, it says we can also draw perpendicular line segments on a square grid using a folded piece of paper this way. Okay, so you're not using the folded piece of paper to draw the line, you're using the folded piece of paper to find out what is square, what is at a 90-degree angle. Okay, so let's have a look at the next page so you can have a look at what you're doing. So it says draw a line segment perpendicular to each given line segment. They're wanting you somewhere on this line to draw another line in a different direction. So if I have, mine will not be straight because I don't have a ruler, guys. So please forgive me. But if you can get a folded piece of paper and then draw your line, hopefully it will be at 90 degrees. Now mine's all totally guessed, I apologize, but it looks pretty good. And you're going to do that with B and C, and you're going to keep going. Okay, so Johnny and Mary were each told to draw a line segment perpendicular. Line segment AB, here is what they drew. So you would have to get your piece of folded paper, put it up and see if it's perpendicular. Some of you can tell already just by looking. And it's pretty easy, and I do expect that you do it all accurately and you do it all perfectly and send it off to your teacher marked, because that's the least you can do. This is not hard, guys. This is not hard. The hardest thing for you will be keeping the ruler straight. And it's good practice for when we start ruling margins again in our workbooks on the 1st of June. Can't wait. Woohoo!